परिजन सहित कृष्ण चैतन्य देवम श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सहिता श्री यासावत्तरात्मजात्मना नैरत्यपि चालमध्व. First of all, offer my millions of obeisances to lotus feet of Asmati Guru Pad Padma Nityala Pravishna Jagat Guru Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Trendi Swami Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Dandi Maharaj, Namnishna Santa Shri Aniruddha Prabhuji, and all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis who are gathered here. Please accept my humble. Reading from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Leela, chapter 4, verse number 204. आर शुद्ध भक्त कृष्ण प्रेम सेवा लीने स्वसुखार्थ सालोक्यादि न करे ग्रहणे. आर and Shuddha Bhakta, the pure devotee, Krishna Prema, out of love for Lord Krishna, Seva, service, Vinay, without, Swasukha Artha, for the purpose of one's own pleasure, Salokya, the 5 types of liberation, beginning from Salokya, residing on the same spiritual planet as the Lord, na kare, do not do, grahane, acceptance. Furthermore, pure devotees never forsake the loving service of Lord Krishna to aspire for their own personal pleasure through the 5 types of liberation. A pure devotee of Krishna who loves him exclusively will flatly refuse to accept any sort of liberation, beginning from merging with the body of the Lord and extending to the other varieties of liberation. Such as equality of form, opulence or abode, and the opulence of living near the Lord. Text 205. मद्गुणश्रुति मात्रेण मयि सर्वगुहाशये मनोगतिरविच्छिन्ना यथा गंगाम्बसो अम्बुदौ. Mat of me, guna of the qualities, shruti matrina, only by hearing, mai to me, sarva guha, in all hearts, ashaye, who am situated, manadgati, the movement of the mind, avichinna, unobstructed, yatha, just as, Ganga Ambasa, of the celestial waters of the Ganges, Ambudhav, to the ocean. Just as the celestial waters of the Ganges flow unobstructed into the ocean, so when my devotees simply hear me, their minds come to me, who reside in the hearts of all. Lakshanam Bhakti Yogasya Nirgunasya hi Udahurtam. Ahituki Agavita Ya Bhakti Purushottame. Lakshanam, the symptoms, Bhakti Yogasya, of devotional service, Nirgunasya, beyond the 3 modes of nature, he certainly, Udavritam, is cited, Ahituki, causeless, Agavahita, uninterrupted, Ya, which, Bhakti, devotional service, Purushottame, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. These are the characteristics of transcendental loving service to Purushottam, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is causeless and it cannot be obstructed in any way. Text 207. Salokya Sashti Sarupya Samipya Ekatvam Apyuta Yamanam na Grananti Vinama Sevanam Jana. Salokya, being on the same planet as me, Sashti, having opulence equal to mine, Sarupya, having the same form as me, Samipya, having direct association with me, Ekatvam, oneness with me, Api, even, Uta, or, Diyamanam, being given, no, not, Brunanti, accept, Vina, without, Mat Sevanam, my service, Jana, the devotees. My devotees do not accept Salokya, Sashti, Sarupya, Samipya, or oneness with me, even if I offer these liberations in preference to serving me. These three verses from Srimad Bhagavatam were spoken by Lord Krishna in the form of Kapil. मत्सेवया प्रतितं ते सालोक्यादि चतुष्टयम् नेच्छन्ति सेवया पूर्णा कुतोऽन्य काल विप्लुतम् much of me sevaya by service pratitam obtained they salokya adi liberation beginning salokya chatushtayam four kinds of na icchanti do not desire sevaya complete, kutaha, where, other things, kala plutam, which are lost in time. My devotees, having fulfilled their desires by serving me, do not accept the four kinds of salvation that are easily earned by such service. Why then should they accept any pleasure that are lost in the course of time? This verse from Srimad Bhagavatam was spoken by the Lord in connection with the characteristics of Maharaj Ambarish. Merging into the existence of the Absolute is as temporary as living in the celestial kingdom. Both of them are controlled by time. Neither position is permanent. Kamagandhahina swabhavika gopi prem nirmala ujjvala shuddha Kamagandhahina, without any scent of lust. Swabhavika, natural. Gopi Prem, the love of the gopis. Nirmala, spotless. Ujjvala, blazing. Shuddha, pure. Jaina, like Dagda Hema, molten gold. The natural love of the gopis is divided. It is faultless, bright and pure, like molten gold. Three students and gopis are teachers, friends, disciples, Vedantis, serving of Krishna. Students, Isha servants, and the friends, Priya wives, Satyam truthful, Vadami, I say, say to you, Partha O Arjun, Gopyaha, the gopis, Kim, what? For me, are, Bhavanti are, no, not. O Partha, I speak to you the truth. The gopis are my helpers, teachers, disciples, servants, friends, consorts. I do not know what they are not to me. This verse was spoken by Lord Krishna in Gopi Premamrut. You'll see that how Krishna is very intimately related with the gopis. There is everything. There is Guru also, there is disciples also, there is servants also, there is. So, gopis are very, very dear to Krishna. That's why Gopya Tapaki Machara Janamushya Rupam Lavanya Saram Asamurdam Ananda Siddham Drubbi Pivanti Anusavavi Navam Papam Ekanda Dhama Shita Shri Eshwara. Mathura Ramanis have glorified gopis, Vishwadeva has glorified gopis. So, no doubt that gopis are very, very dear to Krishna. गोपी जनालिंगित मध्यभागम वेणुं नमन्तं वृषलोलनेत्रं कलेवरे प्रस्फुट रोम वृंदम नमामि कृष्णं जगदेककंदम. If you want to glorify Krishna, then you will have to glorify gopis. And Mahaprabhu sometimes used to chant gopi, 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 gopi. Chant because gopis are ashraya vigraha. They are the ashraya. They are the shelter of Krishna. And without the mercy of the gopis, no one can get highest. गोपिका जनेर कृष्णेर मनेर वांछित प्रेम सेवा परिपाटी इष्ट समीत. Gopika, the gopis, janena, know, Krishnera of Lord Krishna, manera of the mind, vanchita, the desired object, prema seva of service in love, paripati, perfection, ishta samihita, achievement of the desired goal of life. The gopis know Krishna's desires. They know how to render perfect loving service for his enjoyment. They perform their service expertly for the satisfaction of their beloved. You see that gopis, they know exactly, they know the heart of Krishna. When someone renders service, knowing the heart of the object of service, then that is very pleasurable. So gopis exactly know what Krishna wants and will do everything to satisfy Sri Krishna. That's why in Ras Leela, Krishna played the flute and called the gopis. Not that gopis remembered Krishna, but rather Krishna remembered the gopis. Dushtva kumudavantam akhanda mandalam ramananabam navakunkumaranam vanam chatat kovala goviranjitam jagaukalam vamadrusham manoharam. So Krishna, he actually played the flute and called gopis. Man mahatmyam mad saparjam mad shraddham manodatam jananti gopika partha nanye jananti tatvata. Mat Mahatmyam, my greatness, Mat Saparjam, my service, Mat Shraddham, respect for me, Mat Managatam, the intention of my mind, Jananti, they know, Gopika, the gopis, Partha, O Arjuna, no, not, Anya others, Jananti, no. Actually, oh Partha, the gopis know my greatness, my loving service, respect for me, and my mentality. Others cannot really know this. So this verse was spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna in the Adi Purana. So again and again, you will see that Krishna is glorifying the gopis before Arjuna. Sei gopi gana madhye uttama radhika rupe gune saubhagye prema sarvadhika. So Radharani, she is the best among all the gopis. Say those gopikant, the gopis among uttama, the highest, Radhika, Srimati Radharani, rupe in beauty, gune in qualities, saubhagye in fortune, prema in love, sarvadhika above all. Radharani is the best. Among the gopis, Srimati Radhika is the foremost. She surpasses all in beauty, in good qualities, and in good fortune, and above all in love. Not only has good qualities, but she loves also very much the greatness of Srimati Radharani. यथा राधा प्रिया विष्णु तस्या कुंडम प्रियम तथा सर्वगोपीषु सेवैका विष्णु अत्यंत वल्लभा. यथा just that Radha and Priya very dear. Tasya kundam place Priya very dear. So Gopishu among all the gopis, she Eva certainly Eka alone, Vishnu of Lord Krishna, Atyanta Vallabha, most dear. Just as Radha is dear to Lord Krishna, so her bathing place Radha Kunda is dear to him. zone is his most beloved of all the gopis. So this is very, very important. Yatha Radha Priya Vishnu Tasya Kundam Priyantata Sarva Gopishu Sevika Vishnu Atyanta Vallabha. She is very, very dear to Lord Vishnu. Vishnu means here Krishna. And just like Radha Kunda is very dear to Krishna, so similarly Radha is also very dear. So what is Radha Kunda? Radha Kunda is nothing but liquefied form. Krishna Kunda or Sham Kunda is actually the liquefied form of Krishna. यथा राधा प्रिया विष्णु तस्या कुंडम प्रियम तथा सर्वगोपीषु सेवैका विष्णु अत्यंत वल्लभा. पद्म पुराण says this verse. त्रैलोक्ये पृथिवी धन्या यत्र वृंदावनम पुरी तत्रापि गोपिका पार्थो यत्र राधिका राधा विधाम. Trilokye, in the three worlds, Prithvi, the earth, Dhanya, fortunate, Yatra, where, Vrindavanam, Vrindavan, Puri, the town, Tatra, there, Api, certainly, Gopika, the gopis, Partho, Arjuna, Yatra, where, Radha, Srimati Radharani, Abhida, named Mama. O Partha, in all the three planetary systems, the earth is especially fortunate. But on earth is the town of Vrindavan, and there the gopis are especially glorious. Because among them is my Srimati Radharani. This verse spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna is cited in the Adi Puran. Radhasa krida rasa vruddhira karana arasa gopi gana supa karana. Radhasa with Srimati Radharani, krida, pastimes, rasa of mellow, vruddhira of the increase, karana the cause, ara the others. Saba all, Gopigana, gopis, rasa upakarana, accessories of Melo. All the other gopis help increase the joy of Krishna's pastimes with Radharani. The gopis act as the instruments of their mutual enjoyment. It is said that the gopis are divided into 5 groups, namely the Sakhis, Nitya Sakhis, Prana Sakhis, Priya Sakhis, and Parama Preshta Sakhis. All these fair complexion associates of Srimati Radharani, the queen of Vrindavan Dham, are expert artists in evoking erotic sentiments in Krishna. The Parama Preshta Sakhis are 8 in number, and in the ecstatic dealings of Krishna and Radha, they side sometimes with Krishna and at other times with Radharani, just to create a situation in which it appears that they favor one against the other. That makes the exchange of mellows more palatable. Krishnera Vallabha Radha Krishna Pranadhana Tavino Sukha Hetu Nahe Gopigana. Krishnera of Krishna Vallabha, beloved, Radha, Srimati Radharani. Krishna, the wealth of the life of life. Her Sukha Hetu, cause of happiness. They are not Gopi Gade, the gopis. Radha is the beloved consort of Krishna. She is the strength of his life. Without her, the gopis cannot give him pleasure. Samsarirapi samsara vasana baddha shrunkhalam Radha madhaya daye tatyacha vrajasundari. Samsari, the Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa. Api, moreover. Samsara, for the essence of enjoyment, Rasa Leela. Vasana, by the desire, Baddha, tied on. Shrunkhalam, who was by the chains. Radham, Srimati Radharani. Adhaya, take Hruday, heart. Satyajya, Vrajasundari, the other gopis. Lord Krishna, the enemy of Kamsa, left aside the other gopis during Rasa dance and took Srimati Radharani to his heart for help of realizing the essence of his desire. In this verse from Gita Govind, Krishna in Chaitanyavata Yugadmana Prema Kailachar. Say that taking direction of holy name and love of God did prachar preaching. Lord Chaitanya appeared with the sentiment of Radha. He preached the dharma of this age, the chanting of the holy name and pure love of God. Sei bhave nija vancha karila puran avatarer ei vancha moola dharan. Say that mood, nija vancha desire. Puran fulfilling our mission. The root. In the mood of Srimati Radharani, he also fulfilled his own desire. This is the principal reason for his appearance. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai Brajendra Kumar Rasamaya Murti Krishna Sakshat Shringar Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai Brajendra Kumar Rasamaya Murti Krishna Sakshat Shringar Shri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Brajendra Kumar, the child of King Nanda, Rasamaya, consisting of mellows, Murti the form, Krishna, Lord Krishna, Sakshata directly, Shringar, amorous love. Lord Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, Brajendra Kumar, the embodiment of rasas. He is amorous love personified. So this is very clear here that Shringarasa Sarvaswam Shikipincha Vibhushanam Angikrutanarakaram Ashre Pramadakrutim. That Shringarasa Sarvaswam. Shri Krishna is the embodiment of conjugal mellow. Shringarasa Sarvaswam Shikipincha Vibhushanam Angikrutanarakaram Ashre Pramadakrutim. Sei rasa aswarite kailavatar anusange kailasava sira prachar. Say that rasa melo aswarite to taste. Kaila made avatar incarnation. Anusange as a secondary motive. Kaila did sava all rasera of melos prachara broadcasting. He made his appearance to test that conjugal melo and incidentally to broadcast all the rasas. Vishvesham anuranjanena janayan anandavindhivara Shreni Shamala Komalair Upanayan Angay Anangostavam Swachandam Brajasundari Abhita Pramalingita Simurti Vamao Mukta Havikridati Vishvesham of gopis Anuranjanena, by the act of pleasing, Janayan, producing, Anandam, the bliss, Indivara Shrani, like a row of blue lotuses, Shamala, bluish black, Komalai, and soft, Upanayan, bringing, Angai, with his limbs, Ananga Utsavam, a festival for Cupid, Swachandam, without restriction, Vrajasundari bhi by the young women of Vraja, Avita on both sides, Prati Angam, each limb, Alingita, embraced. Ananga Utsavam, a festival of Cupids, Chandam without restriction, Vrajasundari, the young women of Vraja, Avita on both sides, Prati Angam, each limb, Alingita, embraced, Shrungara, amorous love, Sakhi, O friend, Murtiman, embodied, evil, in the springtime, Mugdha, Hari, Lord Hari, Kirti place. My dear friends, see how Krishna is enjoying the season of spring. With the gopis embracing each of his limbs, he's like amorous love personified. With his transcendental pastimes, he enlivens all the gopis and the entire creation. With his soft bluish black arms and legs, which resemble blue lotus flowers, he has created a festival for Cupid. This is a verse from Gita Govinda. So, 1.11, Gita Govinda. विश्वेशामनुरञ्जनेन जनयन् आनन्दमिन्दीवर श्रेणीशामलकोमलैरुपनयन् अङ्गैरनङ्गोत्सवम्. So, O Sakhi, he who gives pleasure and bliss to all the gopis, whose limbs are bluish black, very soft and resemble blue lotuses. Those qualities awaken the festival of Kandarpa, Cupid, that lies dormant within the gopis' heart, and who is embraced by each and every limb of the gopis. That Krishna is sporting like amorous love personified in the spring season. Madhurutu madhukara pati madhura kusuma madhumati madhura vrindavana macha madhura madhura rasaraja madhura nati नटीनी गण संग मधुर मधुर रसरंग सुमधुर यंत्र रसाल मधुर मधुर करताल मधुर नटन गतिभंग मधुर नटनी नटरंग मधुर मधुर रसगान मधुर विद्यापति भाण. The crown jewel of connoisseurs, the crown jewel of connoisseurs of mellows, Hir Lalit Nayak Brajanandan Sri Krishna Chandra, appears as Kamadev personified and relishes Shringar Ras with the Brajadevis. One Sakhi informs her friend that in a nearby forest of Kunjas, Shri Krishna is absorbed in Rasa Vilas with the young gopis. She says, "Look, Sakhi, look, just see how Krishna, possessed by an eager desire for captivating amorous sports, is bound by the embrace of the young women of Raja." One Goparamani is lovingly embracing Shri Krishna and sweetly singing. Other gopis pressing against Sri Krishna with her uplifted hard breasts. One Goparamani with heavy hips is blooming with prema. On the pretext of whispering into his ear, she fulfills her heartfelt wish by Shri Krishna is also increasing the love of the beautiful women of Raja by embracing and kissing them and pleasing them with his smiling sidelong glances. Shri Hari, not considering right or wrong, displays his charming pastimes with the Gopa Ramanis in the spring season. He creates a great festival of Cupid by awarding the rasa longed for by the Rajasundaris with his soft bluish black limbs, which resemble a blue lotus. He is freely embracing and touching the Vrajaramanis, thus manifesting himself as the personification of Shringar Rasa. The word Indivara in this text indicates coolness. The word Shreni indicates relishing ever fresh mellows. Shamal indicates beauty and Komal indicates extreme softness. विश्वेशाम अनुरंजनेन जनयन् आनंद इंदीवर श्यामल कोमलैरपनयन् अंगैरनङ्गोत्सवम् स्वच्छन्दं ब्रजसुन्दविर्भिता प्रत्यङ्गमालिङ्गिता शृङ्गाराय मूर्तिमानपि मधु or Sakhi, Krishna has become the Eros personified. As he revels in loving pastimes, intoxicated by the rasa of romantic springtime encounters. With his soft, dark limbs that stars blue, he inaugurates Cupid's great festival. For increasing attachment, he is satisfying the gopis' unbridled passion, far in excess of their expectations. Nevertheless, the beautiful gopis of Vraja, helplessly lost in the rapture of lovemaking, assume the dominant male position and freely embrace each and every part of his body. So, Radhika, Radha's friend says, Sakhi, look, as she points out the amorous activities of Sri Radha's dearest one with the intention of stimulating her ecstatic emotions. The season is spring. What's more, it is also the month of Madhu, and Sri Hari is lost in enjoying love play with all the gopis as if he were Shringar Rasa personified. Shringara Sakhi Murti Maniva. The Sakhi reveals Krishna's characteristics as unites with his sensually aroused lovers by portraying him as the embodiment of erotic euphoria. Purusha Pramada Yukta Shringareti Sadmita. A man who is united with a highly libidinous woman is called Shringar. Krishna is satisfying the gopis' coveted ambitions far beyond their expectations and intensifying their happiness in a festival of Eros. Shri Hari bestows bliss upon all living entities by his ever increasing divine love. The Sakhi says that Krishna's elegant limbs are darker and softer than a blue lotus. The word blue lotus endeavor conveys the sense of darkness, softness, and refreshing coolness. The word Shreni of freshness that appears newer at every moment, and the word Shamal of handsome, tender youthfulness. Krishna is observing a festival of transcendental lust with those tender limbs. The attractive Vraja gopis are embracing each and every limb of Krishna's body spontaneously, at their pleasure, without the slightest hesitation. Rasa emerges from the combination of two components, the hero's anurag for the heroine and the heroine's anurag for the hero. The hero may be attached to the heroine, but unless the heroine is also attached to the hero, rasa will not manifest. One might ask, here we find only paraspar anuranjan, the act of pleasing each other. So where is rasa? The story of rasa begins with the integration of vibhav, anubhav, sattvic bhava and sanchari bhava. Then it increases through the stages of sneha, pranay, man, rag, anurag, bhav and mahabhav. Consequently, rasa flourishes with the maturity of prem. When prema rasa begins to manifest, the hero and heroine harbor no reservations about their activities, the time or the place. Yet union still does not reach its pinnacle despite the absence of inhibitions. The complete union of every limb is perfectly accomplished only by Mahabhavras. One might conjecture that Krishna has only partial experience of the cowherd damsels. Therefore, it is stated here, Prati Angam Alingita. Krishna has satisfied the gopis by embracing each of their limbs, by kissing, by touching, and by other appropriate activities. Furthermore, one might ask, how could Krishna have embraced all of them? The answer is that Shringar Rasa is one, yet it pervades the entire creation. Similarly, Krishna is one and also all pervading. By virtue of this attribute, he is competent to delight the whole universe. The current verse includes Deepaka Alankar, Vaidharvi Riti, Shardul Vikradit Chanda, Shringar Rasa, and Vakyochitya. The heroine of the song, Radha, is Utkantita Nahika. When the hero's behavior is inconsistent, the heroine who becomes indifferent to the world in the anxiety of separation is called Utkantita Nahika. So here, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai Rase Rasadana Ashesha Vishesha Kaila Rasa Aswadana. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Gosai, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rasera of Melo, Sadhana, the residence, Ashesha Vishesha, unlimited varieties of enjoyment. Kaila did, Rasa, Melo, Aswadana, testing. Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the abode of Rasa. He himself tested the sweetness of Rasa in endless ways. गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय द्वारे प्रवर्ताईल कलियुग धर्म चैतन्य दासे जाने ही सब मर्म. द्वारे in that way pravartayila he initiated Kali Yuga of the age of Kali Dharma, the religion Chaitanya of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Dase, the servant, Jane knows, these sub all marma secrets. Thus he initiated the Dharma for the age of Kali. The devotees of Lord Chaitanya know all these truths. Lord Chaitanya is Sri Krishna himself, the absolute enjoyer of the love of the gopis. He himself assumes the role of the gopis to taste the predominated happiness of transcendental mellows. He appeared in that mode, but simultaneously propagated the religious process for this age in a most fascinating way. Only the confidential devotees of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can understand this transcendental secret. Advaitacharya Nityananda Srinivas Gadadhara Damodara Murari Haridas आरजत चैतन्य कृष्णेर भक्तगण भक्ति भावे शिरेधर अद्वैताचार्य नित्यानंद लॉर्ड नित्यानंद श्रीनिवास पंडित गदाधर दामोदर स्वरूप दामोदर मुरारी गुप्त हरिदास ठाकुर आर अदर जत ऑल चैतन्य कृष्णेर ऑफ श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु Bhakta Gana, devotees, Bhakti Bhavi, with a devotional attitude, Shire on my head. Dhari I take, Sabar of all of them, Charana, the lotus feet. Acharya, Lord Nityananda, Srivas Pandit, Gadadhar Pandit, Swarup Damodar, Murari Gupta, Haridas Thakur, and all the other devotees of Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Bowing down with devotion, I hold their lotus feet on my head. The author of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita teaches us that we must offer our respectful obeisances to all such pure confidential devotees of Lord Sri Chaitanya, if we indeed want to know him in truth. षष्ठ श्लोकेरहि कहिलाभास मूल श्लोकेर अर्थ शुन करिया प्रकाश. Shashta Shloker of the sixth verse, this Kahila has been spoken, Avas, a hint, Mula Shloker of the original verse, Artha meaning, Shuna, please hear, Kariye, Prakash, I am revealing. I have given a hint of the sixth verse. Now please hear as I reveal the meaning of that original verse. Shri Radhaya Pranamayima Kidrusho Vaneyaiva Sadhyo Yenadvuta Madhurima Kidrusho Vamadhiya Saukyam Chasya Madanavata Kidrusham Veti Lobhat Tad Bhavadya Samajani Sutigarva Sindhu Harindu. Shri Radhaya of Srimati Radharani Pranay Mahima, the greatness of love. Kidrusha, of what kind? Va, or Anaya, by this one, Radha. Eva, alone. Aswadhya, to be relished. Yena, by that love. Adbhuta Madhurima, wonderful. Kidrisha, of what kind? Va, or Madhya, of me. Cha, and Asya, her. Mad Anuvata, from realization of my sweetness. Kidrisham, of what kind? Va, or Iti, the Lovat, from the desire. Tat, her. Hava, Adhya, richly endowed with the emotions. Savajani took birth. Shachi Garva, of the womb of Sachi Devi. in the ocean, Hari, Lord Krishna, Hindu, like the moon, desiring to understand the glory of Radharani's love, the wonderful qualities in him that she alone relishes her love, and the happiness she feels when she realizes the sweetness of his love. The Supreme Lord Hari, richly endowed with her emotions, appeared from the womb of Srimati Sachidevi as the moon appeared from the ocean. We'll stop here. We'll have a little bit discussion on Srimad Bhagavatam. Hmm? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So we're stopping at verse number 231. 1.4.231.
231. Thank you.
Thank you.
1.4, 231.
1.4.231. 231. Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'll message that on Telegram also. 1.2.231. Govinda